a humid one for them, but they're probably used to it working outside, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, unfortunately. Soupy, humid, swampy, all the adjectives to describe what it was today, but that's going to set the stage for some potential severe weather tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. So keeping an eye on that, but let's take a look at live Viper radar. The atmosphere is sweating right now in Henderson County. Speaking of which, we do have a couple of showers here and there, but they really have not been able to establish themselves as severe thunderstorms. I mean, we did see some evidence of hail further off to the west and also to the northwest in Hunt County, but that's about it. I mentioned Hunt County. This is what's left of that storm that did get pretty intense as it moved from Hopkins County into Delta County, but this is about to move up to the north towards McCurtain County, Oklahoma, and exit the Lone Star State. Here's a live look outside, and we have had a few raindrops here and there atop the Plaza Tower. It's very humid. We've seen evidence of some rain on the radar here and there, but we haven't seen any widespread rain or even any scattered showers and thunderstorms across the rest of East Texas, with the exception of Henderson and Hopkins County. But here's a look at your temperatures. It's still very warm. It's very humid, 80s and 90s right now. Dew points are in the 70s as well, and that's going to continue to be the case tonight. I don't expect us to drop into the 70s until after midnight tonight. Still going to keep the mention of a few isolated showers and thunderstorms, especially off to our west and northwest. And then as we look at tomorrow, while we will be dealing with partly to mostly cloudy skies, perhaps some drizzle tomorrow morning, the best chance of storms will be tomorrow afternoon. And here's how that is going to go. We're not seeing anything as we head into tomorrow morning, just a few passing clouds, but we could see a couple more scattered showers and thunderstorms moving from west to east. That's 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, and then as we head into tomorrow afternoon, the atmosphere is going to be re-energized. We're going to have about the same Gulf moisture as what we are seeing right now, and as we look at this, we will be dealing with a few scattered showers and thunderstorms to the north. This is 9 o'clock, and then those storms will exit eastward, and we'll see a few breaks in the clouds. Enhanced risk of severe weather for our northwestern counties, while Tyler and Longview under a slight risk. My primary threats I have for tomorrow, and again, the best time for storms will be between about 4 o'clock and midnight tonight. Large hail, damaging winds, flash flooding, all at a medium threat. The tornado threat is low, and I think the higher threat is going to remain along into the north of Interstate 30. Now we shift our attention to Thursday. Not a lot happening Thursday morning. Thursday afternoon, though, we could start to see the same setup to our north with some storms in our central and northern counties, but it's a shorter window because the front itself is going to be further to the northwest, so I don't expect as widespread severe weather as what we might see tomorrow in our northern counties, but nonetheless, that's still a slight risk of severe weather. And then once we get into Friday and Saturday, the atmosphere is still unstable, but we will see a chance of isolated storms Friday, and I don't think we're going to see any widespread rain Friday or Saturday, but we will be keeping an eye on that, and we should remain mostly dry through the weekend and early next week. Deep East Texas, I think the better chance of storms will be to our north tomorrow, but nonetheless, some of those storms could creep to the south and give us a storm or two. Isaac, Casey.
Carson, thank you.
Coming